Hello student, I am SK Misra, teacher of maths in DAV CCL grade E. Today I am going to start the chapter quadrilaterals. So we know that student, quadrilateral is a closed figure bounded by four line segment. The angle sum property of a quadrilateral. We know that sum of angles of a quadrilateral is equal to 360 degree. Now we have to know types of quadrilateral. One type is a trapezium whose one pair of opposite sides are parallel. Second type is parallelogram whose opposite sides are parallel and equal. Third is rhombus. Rhombus is such type of a parallelogram whose all sides are equal. And fourth, rectangle. Opposite sides are equal and each angle measures 90 degree. Square is a quadrilateral whose all sides are equal and each angle measures 90 degree. And one is kite. Kite means a pair of adjacent sides are equal. Means these two sides are equal and these two also be equal. Now properties of a parallelogram. A diagonal of a parallelogram divides it into two congruent triangles. It means a parallelogram, if ABCD is a parallelogram, then diagonal divides this parallelogram into two triangles, two congruent triangles. It means triangle ABC and ACD are congruent. In a parallelogram, opposite sides are equal. We know that opposite sides are equal. If each pair of opposite sides are equal, conversion of parallelogram, if a quadrilateral whose pair of opposite sides are equal, then we can say that quadrilateral is a parallelogram. In a parallelogram, opposite angles are also be equal. Angle A is equal to angle C, angle B is equal to angle D. Its conversion, a quadrilateral whose opposite angles are equal, then quadrilateral is a parallelogram, because we know that parallelogram has opposite equal angles and opposite equal sides. Now diagonals of a parallelogram bisect each other. It means AC and BD are diagonals and it intersect each other at point O. Then OA is equal to OC and OD is equal to OB. It means diagonals are bisected in a parallelogram. The diagonal of a quadrilateral bisect each other. If a quadrilateral, its conversion, if a quadrilateral diagonals bisect each other, then it is a parallelogram. Now we have a question. Two parallel lines L and M are intersected by a transversal P, so that the quadrilateral formed by the bisectors of interior angles is a rectangle. Given L and M are parallel to each other and P is a transversal. Here we have to show if AB is bisector of angle PAC and CB is bisector of angle QCA. Similarly, CD is bisector of angle ACR and AD is bisector of angle CAS. This closed figure form a rectangle. It means each angle measures 90 degree. We have to prove. So here angle PAC plus angle ACQ, sum of these two angles 180 degree, because co-interior angles L and M are parallel and P is a transversal, so interior angles on the same side of a transversal are supplementary. Their sum is 180 degree. So therefore half of angle PAC plus half of angle ACQ obviously 90 degree. अब half of PAC means angle BAC plus half of ACQ means angle BCA is equal to 90 degree. Now in triangle ABC angle BAC plus angle BCA plus angle ABC is equal to 180 degree by angle sum property of a triangle. Sum of these two angles is 90 degree. So angle ABC plus 90 is equal to 180 degree, or angle ABC is equal to 90 degree. This angle is 90. Similarly, angle QCA plus angle ACR is equal to 180 degree, linear pair. So their bisector, half of angle QCA plus half of angle ACR is equal to 90 degree. So therefore angle BCD is equal to 90 degree. Similarly, angle B is equal to angle BCD, angle B is equal to angle BCD equal to angle D is equal to angle DAB 90 degree. Therefore ABCD is a rectangle. Now next question is if the diagonal of a parallelogram are equal, then show that it is a rectangle. Diagonal of a parallelogram. If ABCD is a parallelogram, diagonals are equal. It means BD is equal to AC. If BD is equal to AC, then show that ABCD is a rectangle. So now in triangle ABC and triangle ABD, ABC and ABD, BC is equal to AD, opposite sides of a parallelogram. AB is equal to AB and AC is equal to BD. Then by SSS criteria, triangle ABC congruent triangle ABD. Therefore angle A is equal to angle B, because both triangles are congruent. Angle A is equal to angle B. But angle A plus angle B is 180 degree because it is the adjacent angles of a parallelogram. So A plus B is 180 and A and B both are equal to each other. Therefore angle A is equal to angle B is equal to 90 degree. Similarly, angle C and angle D also be 90, and therefore ABCD is a rectangle. Next question is so that diagonals of a square are equal and bisect each other. ABCD is a square. So in triangle ABC and ABD, BC and AD are equal because its all sides are equal, and AB is common in both triangles ABC and ABD, and angle A and angle B both are 90 degree each. Therefore by SAS criteria, triangle ABC and triangle ABD are congruent, ABC congruent to ABD. Therefore AC is equal to BD. It means diagonals are equal. Now in triangle AOB and angle COD, angle DCA is equal to angle CAB, alternate interior angles. Similarly, angle CDB or BCD is equal to angle ABD, this angle. These are also be the alternate interior angles, and opposite sides are equal. So DCA is CAB and CDB ABD, and AB is equal to CD. Therefore therefore triangle are congruent by ASA criteria. Therefore OC is equal to OA and OD is equal to OB. Now next question is ABCD is a rectangle in which diagonal AC bisect angle A as well as angle C. AC is bisector of angle A and angle C, so that ABCD is a square, and then diagonal BD bisect angle B as well as angle D. So here we have to prove ABCD is a square. If it is a square, then BD also bisect the opposite angles. So ABCD is a given rectangle, because square also be called a rectangle. So it is a rectangle, ABCD is a rectangle. So obviously angle A is equal to angle C because opposite angles are equal. So half of angle A is equal to then half of angle C, and then CAB is equal to angle ACB, yeah, BCA. and these two angles are equal, therefore their opposite sides are also be equal. It means AB is equal to BC. Similarly, CD is equal to AD, and then all four sides are equal, and then ABCDJ square. If ABCDJ square, then BD diagonals bisect angle B as well as angle D. ज़्यादा नहीं हो रहा है. In parallelogram ABCD, 2 points P and Q are taken on diagonal BD such that DP is equal to BQ, so that angle APD means APD, this triangle, congruent triangle CQB. So first in triangle APD and triangle CQB, given PD is equal to BQ, these two sides are given equal. AB is equal to CD, opposite angle of a parallelogram, opposite sides of a parallelogram, and AD is equal to CBC, and angle ADP is equal to angle CBQ, alternate interior angles. Therefore, triangle APD congruent triangle CQB, therefore AP is equal to CQ. Similarly, we can congruent triangle AQB and CPD also, because these two sides are equal, this portion are equal, and these angles also be alternate interior, and we can say that similarly triangle AQB congruent triangle CPD, therefore AQ is equal to CP. So here in quadrilateral APCQ, AP is equal to CQ and CP is equal to AQ, therefore APCQ is a parallelogram. Now next question is ABCD is a trapezium in which AB parallel CD, AB and CD are given parallel, and AD is equal to BC, so that angle A is equal to angle B. It means a trapezium whose non-parallel sides are equal, trapezium is called isosceles trapezium also. So we draw C parallel to AD. We draw a line segment C parallel to AD which intersect AB produced at E. Now to draw C parallel AD which intersects AB produced at E, then ADCE is a parallelogram. ADC is a parallelogram. Therefore AD is equal to C, but AD is equal to ABC. Therefore BC is equal to C. Therefore angle CEB is equal to angle CBE. These two angles are equal. Now angle A plus angle E is equal to 180 degree. Co-interior angles of a parallelogram, interior angles, these two therefore angle A plus angle CBE also be 180 degree, as angle CBE is equal to angle CEB. अच्छा, angle ABC plus angle CBE also be 180 degree linear pair. Second, from first and second, angle A is equal to angle ABC या angle B. Now angle A plus angle D is equal to angle B plus angle C 180 degree. So A and B are cancelled, therefore angle D is equal to angle C also B. Now we have to prove congruent ABC this triangle and BAD means this triangle. So in triangle ABC and triangle BAD, AB is equal to here AB, BC is equal to AD, and angle B is equal to angle A. Therefore triangle ABC are congruent triangle BAD. Therefore diagonal BD AC diagonal AC is equal to BD proved. Thank you children.